Morning, fifth graders. Today is going to be working on trying to format all the information that you've now got from researching your famous person to formulating it and forming it into a speech. So I have a little guide or starter for you here. And so you'll start out with "my name is," and then you'll write their name. One way that you can do it is if you have somebody that's famous name is not their actual name, you can put their actual name here, and then you can say, "I was known as blah, blah," and then talk about when they were born, maybe what their childhood was like or something. And then you'll go on to your third line here, you'll say what they were famous for. And then in 4, 5, and 6 is when you can put in some facts. One thing that you'll want to try and do though is if it's a fact about them before they were famous, you're going to want to put it before they were famous then. So for example, if you're talking about something interesting that happened to them when they were maybe 15, you're going to want to make their famous one 4, and then the interesting fact of them when they were 15 into number 3. Reason being is your speech needs to go in chronological order. Remember, chronological order means like in order by time or by year. The sequence of the events that happen needs to be chronological. And that's pretty much it. So one thing that you can do to help you with this is look at your notes. So for example, if I was writing this, obviously you should know your person's name, but then you can go to your first notes page. If they had a nickname, you can start with that. Then you want to say when and where they were born. Do not use the death date yet, because that would not be going in chronological order. See, that would be down here. Even though it's on this first page, it still goes on the bottom. And then you move on to the most famous for part. But this is when, if they had early worker training, you could put that before the famous part. Also, if there are any interesting facts that you found about them before they were famous, those are the things that would make you move that famous spot. Otherwise, you should be able to just kind of follow that guide. Other than that, please let me know if you have any questions. I'm hoping that this is pretty simple and you just kind of plug in stuff from your notes into this document. If it's not, please let me know and I will do whatever I can to help you. Have a great day.